Ever opened an Android app that just refuses to rotate, even though auto rotate is already turned on? Don't worry, there's a super easy fix. In this video, I'll show you how to force almost any Android app to rotate into landscape mode, even if the app doesn't officially support it. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Rotation Control. Go ahead and install it. If you want to save some time, I've also put the download link in the description below. Once you open the app for the first time, it'll ask for a few permissions. Make sure to allow all of them, including display over other apps, usage access, modify system settings, and notification access. These permissions are required for the app to work properly. After that, make sure the per-app rotation settings is turned on. Next, tap Per-app rotation settings. Now simply find the app you want to rotate. For this example, I'll use UCut Video Editor. Tap the app, then choose your preferred rotation mode. If you select Automatic, you can switch freely between Portrait and Landscape. But if you always want the app to open in landscape mode, just choose landscape. That's the option I'm going with. Now let's test it. And there we go. The app that normally doesn't support screen rotation is now running perfectly in landscape mode. Pretty awesome, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Android tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next one.